Hello everybody, Mr. Siegel here. I hope you guys are having a good week. This is another math video in the geometry unit. We're going to talk about something today. You definitely can still take notes for the first day, and you're going to have assignments. It's something called line symmetry. I don't know if you've ever heard that word symmetry before. It's pretty simple. There's not a lot of vocabulary in this part of the unit and part of the chapter. But symmetry is basically when you can put a line through a shape and fold it up, and both sides are going to be equal. So you can almost fold on itself. In the Go Math book, which we don't have obviously right now, they talk about that famous Hollywood sign that's out in Los Angeles. If we come over here, and they ask a question, which of these letters in the big Hollywood sign can you basically put a line through and divide it in half, whereas you can fold up and have two equal signs. So like on the H, for example, if you drew a line right down the middle and then you folded it, you have to kind of visualize it, it's going to be the same on both sides. Same thing with the O. The L, there is no place to put a line that's going to make the two sides equal, so the L would not have line symmetry. Let's see, I'll try writing in orange. And this is how you spell line symmetry. So basically the question you're asking yourself, the L's do not. The Y, maybe not I probably didn't draw it the best way, but does have line symmetry. The W does have line symmetry. The O's have line symmetries, and the D, believe it or not, if you put a line right through the middle, you could fold it on itself, so it has line symmetry. So the first assignment, you're going to have to kind of decide, does it have line symmetry or does it not have line symmetry? And you're going to see a shape, and you're going to see where the line is placed, and you basically have to just imagine, can I fold it on that line? And if the answer is yes, it has line symmetry. If the answer is no, then it does not have line symmetry. And then as we get, probably next week, as we get into the lessons and assignments, you're going to be given a shape or maybe a letter of the alphabet or something, and you're going to have to draw the lines of symmetry yourself. Oh, there's Rosie. So if you have a square, that's my best looking square. Remember, your square has 4 right angles and all sides are equal. There are, as you can probably guess, it does have line symmetry, and a lot of times it has more than one lines of symmetry. So you're going to have to identify how many lines of symmetry a shape has. You can draw a line this way on a square. You could draw a line this way on a square. You can draw the line this way on the square, and you can draw a line this way on a square. And let's count that up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that square, or a square, would have 4 lines of symmetry. We can do another one here. This is a triangle. This is an acute triangle because all the angles are less than 90 degrees. And if you drew a line this way, you can fold in half. And when you look at the lesson on Go Math, their drawings are going to be a little bit more exact than mine. And you can obviously go right through the middle. This triangle would have 3 lines of symmetry. So the first assignment, and we can come back up, the first assignment is going to be basically just deciding whether a shape has line symmetry. It's going to be a yes or no. Then you're going to have to count the number of lines of symmetry a shape has, and then you're going to have to draw the lines of symmetry. So this is pretty much the end of the chapter on two-dimensional figures, on geometry. So we're going to have a few days of assignments with this, and then we're moving on. Everybody's doing such a great job. Hang in there. I know that unfortunately this is going to be the way we do this through the end of June, but let's just keep our spirits up. You guys are doing a great job, and we're very proud of you. We will see you soon.